Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Hey friends, and welcome back. So in today's video, let's talk about mid-century modern bedrooms. Now, mid-century modern is one of my favorite home decor styles. I just love it. It's elegant, it's timeless, it's chic, it's fun, it's everything that I believe that I am. But when it comes to bedrooms, it's absolutely one of my favorite topics to talk about because I love a good mid-century modern bedroom. Now, speaking of mid-century modern, sometimes it can be a little fuzzy. So one of the most exciting and sometimes confusing things about mid-century modern are how somewhat confusing the parameters are and how kind of all-encompassing that the description is. Is this mid-century modern? Is that mid-century modern? So when you run through a checklist of must in a mid-century modern bedroom, there's certain obvious details that really have to be checked. The first would be angled legs on furniture. You're going to see that a lot, especially on beds and on nightstands. The legs are going to kind of have that angle, and you're going to know that's going to be one of your first signs that this is a mid-century modern piece of furniture. Also, you're going to see plenty of wood. You're going to see lighter wood. You're going to see darker wood. But beyond that, mid-century modern home decor really just groups together the bright colors of the rainbow. You can have a mix of matched textures and even some cane furniture, some rattan furniture. But lucky for you, I have rounded up some beautiful examples of mid-century modern bedrooms in this video. There are so many ways to do mid-century modern, especially in a bedroom. It really just depends on you, your taste, your preferences, and what you like. So let's take a look at this room. You have a lovely oversized reclaimed wood headboard, of course with the matching nightstands. Now to soften it up just a bit, you see the geometric pattern rug down there. Of course you have some elements of nature with those plants, but it still gives it a modern look with those plaid stands. This is a really, really gorgeous room to me. Another room I love, this is actually a mid-century modern boho fusion type room. I love the rich stained wooden bed, the leather bench, and I just really think it's so creative as not only decor to have the hats on the wall, but it's also a really convenient way to store something you would need space to store. Another bedroom that I absolutely love, I think I love most, that leather tufted headboard contrasting with the brick wall, which is probably just a faux brick like a pill and stick wallpaper. It makes a really lovely and warming statement in this space. Also, check out the two nightstands. Do you see they are not matchy, and I'm seeing that a lot in mid-century modern decor and rooms. It's all about using what's functional and what feels right for you. Another gorgeous mid-century modern bedroom that really teeters on minimalistic. You see everything is very low-key, chilled. You have some classic elements of mid-century modern, especially with the angle of the legs on that bed, but then you have this huge statement light fixture. love this funky bedroom. There's so much going on, from the geometric print rug encompassing all kinds of colors. Look at that really funky in-your-face gallery wall, and check out the 2 lamps on the nightstands if you haven't. They are in contrasting colors on polar sides of the color wheel, but it all blends in, and not to mention that beautiful chandelier. So this room is clean, open, and bright. It's just the perfect space to go in, relax. It's tranquil, it's calm, it's perfect for unwinding, and it has a lot of style. But because most of the tones and things going on in this room are very neutral and subdued, it still feels relaxing even with that really busy pattern of the rug down there. So if you want to jazz up a room and make it more playful and fun, throw in some really spunky and funky patterns and some artful accents like this room. This room is tastefully done. I think it's gorgeous. I feel like I use that word a lot. So mid-century modern was alive and well throughout the 60s, and a lot of the feel of the 60s is infused in this room specifically, but in some elements of mid-century modern. This room is in your face, it's bold, but it's so beautiful. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these 2 right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.